Hello YouTube, I have a new product for you guys today. It's called DigiBirds. I sing solo or with other DigiBirds. We tweet, we sing, we move. For ages 5 and up, I sing 20 melodies. Whistle to make me sing. Collect the entire choir that sings together. Let's open this up and see what's inside. I guess you put this on your finger and you can put them on there. Like there's a little whistle, you just blow right here. Let's see what the cat thinks of this. Killed it. Yeah, he's like, I don't care. That is creepy. Well, this bird is definitely worth $10. A neat little toy. Almost like having a real bird, but you don't have to feed it. Sounds just like a bird. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day.